The Forgotten Melody. In a quiet, sunny village by the sea, an elderly clockmaker named Mr. Turner lived alone. His shop was filled with old clocks, each one ticking away the memories of people who once owned them. Mr. Turner had spent his life fixing clocks, but in recent years he had grown forgetful, his own memories sometimes feeling like the distant echoes of an old song. One misty morning, as he was dusting his shelves, he found an old music box hidden behind a stack of clocks. It was small, with delicate carvings of stars and waves, as if it held the sea itself inside. Curious, he wound it up, and a soft melody began to play, a melody he hadn't heard in decades. As the notes floated through the shop, forgotten memories began to drift back to him. He remembered his childhood, chasing waves on the beach, and the laughter of his younger sister, Emily, who had loved music boxes. The melody brought images of their old house by the sea, the smell of salt and sand, and the warm feeling of family. Each day, Mr. Turner would play the music box, and each time another memory would resurface. One day, he remembered a promise he had made to Emily to one day show her the world beyond their small village. That promise, long buried in his mind, now felt alive again. With newfound purpose, Mr. Turner decided to fulfill his promise in a different way. He began creating a new clock, one that would play the same melody. Once finished, he placed it in his shop window with a sign that read, "For those who wish to remember." It became a small attraction in the village, drawing in people of all ages, each of them finding comfort or nostalgia in the simple tune. As the days passed, Mr. Turner found himself surrounded by new friends and stories. The melody, which had brought back his own memories, now helped others connect with theirs. And though he may have forgotten things from time to time, he realized he was not alone in the journey of remembering. In the end, Mr. Turner understood that memories, like the ticking of clocks, are never truly lost. They are just waiting for the right moment or the right melody to bring them back.